You can make, I feel like you can make a custom home look like $1,000,000 without spending $1,000,000.
Yep.
And it's just those little details that set your home aside from your regular old, you know, kind of cookie cutter that you see across the board, you know? And it's not necessarily things that are such an extra, you know, expense, but it just makes all the difference in the world.
Absolutely.
You know?
Yeah, I think you're right. You get value out of spending your money wisely and having an eye to detail.
Exactly.
Let's go inside because this is my favorite part.